You ever wonder how to take a refrigerator out of a Toyota Sunrader? It doesn't fit through the door, but it will fit through these doors. So I literally just pulled her through there, out through here, and out that door. Final wall.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Now what? Getting more done. Basically got everything exposed so we can start patching what needs to be patched. That's the last window we're doing for the bathroom. The bathroom completely removed. If anybody has questions you can ask on how to remove stuff. It's pretty straightforward, but I will help you if you comment. But I'm gonna patch this big hole. It looks like it was leaking from in this side area where the cab meets the fiberglass. So I'm gonna try and get this all patched up with, I got this new piece of wood to cover it, and then I got another piece of wood out there, that piece, to go along this edge here to rebuild what was rotted out. So this whole corner was basically rotted out. So once that window's patched, all the windows are done. That's just a vent for the refrigerator I'm repainting. And then the last thing we need to seal is these front windows, which I'm gonna probably make a whole video on how to do that because I don't really know what I'm doing. And then remove this guy and put in the new style. We pulled out. Basically, you just remove those guys, and then there was one screw right there holding it to the wall, and then the whole thing just pulled right out. and it's super light, so it's easy to move around. But you can't really take it out unless you pull it apart. So I'm trying to leave it together. But yeah, we got pretty much everything exposed, and now we're just gonna start getting everything cleaned, prepped, ready to go, so that we can start laying flooring and start actually rebuilding the whole thing. But yeah, here we are. It's pretty crazy. All right, so I got this new piece in all the way up there, and then I sealed it with some expansion foam and then some construction adhesive in those holes, because that just like kind of bolts up to the body of the actual truck itself. This is the cab of the truck. This guy is replacing this piece that was rotted out. The rotting just goes to about there. Everything else is pretty much good, so I'm gonna try not to tear out all of that. I just gotta cut the corner out there because there's a little bit of corner in the fiberglass that it won't fit, but this piece is in. Get this in, and then hopefully this whole floor will be sealed. All right, definitely like, not gonna say this is the right way. Replaced it with this guy. A few ugly pieces that I just fit in there because I don't really care how it looks underneath. I'm gonna be covering it all, but I just want to make sure it's all sealed. So then I used some construction adhesive and just filled all the cracks around it. So hopefully that'll help, as well as that. Ow, my ass! That expansion foam in there. Oh, I just hit my ass on the corner of that oven. Oh, that hurt. Week 5 update. I haven't come out with my 4th video, but this will probably be included in it. Getting the last panel done on the roof. This guy's the last one. That's just patched with the aluminum. That's where like an old, like, I don't know, radio tower type thing was. I got the new one with the fan there. This will be no fan. And then we got a new one with a fan back there. And then those are the new sewage vents that I built. So the roof is pretty much done. Once we get this last thing sealed, then I'm just gonna probably coat it with something to protect the fiberglass. But yeah, the roof is done. Started with those top holes just to get it aligned. Make sure we like it before I do the rest of these holes. And then I got some wood. Basically, you want to put wood around each bigger structure, like the windows and those, just to give them better support. So we got those pieces that are going on the side there. What? My face? I make faces when I drill. I don't know why.
Now you can see it for yourself.
I'm gonna try not to do it now the rest of the day. I hate that so much.
I love it.
I can feel it on that one. Ouch.
That